How to remove all tag photos on Facebook at once. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove all photos on Facebook at once. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and now go straight to your profile by tapping on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen. Once you are in your profile, tap on the three dots you see there and further tap on the review post and tags option. Here, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen now, and in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle on the button for review post you're tagged in. Now go back and tap on the search bar and search for activity log and tap on that. Here, tap on your Facebook activity drop-down and find the activity you are tagged in. Now, select the option from where you want to move tags from. I will tap on photos and videos you are tagged in. Drop down now, select the option from where you want to remove tags from. I will tap on photos and videos you are tagged in. Here, go ahead and select the all checkbox you see there. And once all the post is selected, tap on the remove tags button, and with this, all your tags on photos will be removed on Facebook at once. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.